Welcome back to my channel. This is your boy KJ here, and today is a very special day for me because I've been dreaming of this moment for a very long time, and guess what? It's finally here. I just got a very special gift, the Sony ZV-E10, which is especially made for vlogging. And before we dive into unboxing, just want to thank two amazing people, Nico and Yaching, for this special gift. Thank you both for the generous and thoughtful gift for me. Thank you so much. Can't wait to create beautiful stories with this. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. Alright guys, this is how the Sony ZV-E10 box looks like. This camera, Yaching and Nico, they purchased while they were in Japan last month, and then they couldn't ship it. It was purchased in Japan and then it was shipped from Taiwan. This camera actually traveled more than me. Right after we open the box, we've got some manuals. See, so this is warranty card. There's some paper manuals written in different language, Chinese, Japanese. Always good to keep it safe, these manuals. That's all what we have inside the box. We have the camera stripe, manual papers, the adapter, the converter, and we have the USB-C fast charging cable. And then this is for the windscreen, or you can say windproof, for the inbuilt mic on the camera. And the battery, lens, camera itself. I thought the camera comes with the SD card, but I don't see any SD card right over here, you see. So let's try to insert the battery. And then, okay, then let's just try to put on the camera. The camera comes with a flip screen, which is very nice. I can block myself like this. Honestly, I still can't believe I'm holding this. This is not just a camera. It's a doorway to telling stories, capturing beautiful moments, sharing my journey with you all. Once again, thank you so much Nico and Yaching for gifting me this camera that will be the part of every step I take on this journey. Thank you so much. To everyone watching this video, stay tuned. This is just a beginning, and many exciting videos and vlogs are coming on your way. Shot on this beauty right here. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And see you in my next video with the Sony ZV-E10. Love and peace from KJ. Thank you.